we'll guide you through how to animate text in Google Slides. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Windows on your computer and make sure you are on the main desktop screen. Next, move to the search bar and type Google Chrome into it. When the search results appear, click to open Google Chrome on your computer so that the browser launches properly. After the browser launches, move your cursor to the address bar at the top of the window. Type Google Slides in the address bar and press Enter on your keyboard to search for the website. From the search results that appear, click on the official Google Slides website to ensure you are accessing the correct platform. Once the website loads successfully, make sure you're logged into your Google account so you can create and edit presentations. When you're logged in, the Google Slides homepage will appear, showing your existing presentations and template options. On this page, you can either create a new blank presentation or open an existing presentation example from a list. For this tutorial, we will start with a blank presentation to demonstrate the process from the beginning. Click the Blank Presentation option to create a new slide deck. Once the new presentation opens, you will see the default slide layout with text boxes labeled Click to Add Title and Click to Add Subtitle. To add text, click on either the Click to Add Title or Click to Add Subtitle text box. After clicking the text box, type the text you want to enter so it appears on the slide. Next, if you want to add movement to the text, move your cursor to the top right corner of the Google Slides interface. Look for the More button, which is represented by a three-dot icon. Click the three-dot icon to open additional options. After clicking it, a pop-up menu will appear with several tools. From this menu, click the option labeled Animate. This action will open the animation settings panel on the right side of the screen. In the Motion menu, look for the section labeled Object Animations. In this section, you will see a list of elements that are currently on your slide. Click on the text that you have already created to apply animation settings to it. The default animation option is usually set to Appear. Click Appear and change it to another available motion, such as Fly in from left. After selecting the motion, scroll down and find the timing option labeled On Click. Click On Click and change it to With Previous. Once everything is finished, click Play to preview the animation.